Welcome back everyone. Today we have a rather crazy comparison matchup for you. We're pitting the 2006 Honda VTX1800R against the 2001 Honda CR125R. Two very different bikes with very unique characteristics. Let's dive into the specs and see how they stack up. First up, the 2006 Honda VTX1800R. This cruiser is all about raw power and smooth performance. The Honda VTX1800R is designed for long, relaxed rides with its powerful V-twin engine and low seat height, making it perfect for highway cruising. That's what this bike is about. It's about cruising on some long, fun rides. That's what it's good for. However, let's go ahead and look at the 2001 Honda CR125R. This dirt bike is built for agility and off-road performance. The Honda CR125 is a lightweight, nimble bike designed for motocross racing with its high-revving two-stroke engine and tall seat height, perfect for tackling rough terrains. So how do these two very different motorcycles compare? Listen, it's gonna be a big difference, two completely different bikes, but that is the point of this series of videos. So nonetheless, let's go ahead and break it down. The VTX 1800R has a massive 1,795cc V-twin engine compared to the wimpy CR125R's much smaller 124cc single-cylinder two-stroke engine. The VTX 1800 boasts 106 horsepower, while the CR125 has 34 horsepower, but is all about power-to-weight ratio, which brings us to the weight. The VTX 1800 is significantly heavier at 769 pounds, whereas the CR125 is a feather weight at 192 pounds. The VTX 1800 leads with a hefty 120 foot-pounds of torque, far surpassing the CR125R's 17.6 foot-pounds. The CR125 has a much higher seat at 37.3 inches, perfect for off-roading and doing some motocross activities compared to the VTX 1800's low 27.4 inches, keeping you low to the ground with that heavy weight on those long rides. Very comfortable. When it comes to fuel capacity, the VTX 1800 will obviously have a larger tank at 4.5 gallons, while the CR125 holds 2.1 gallons, which is perfect for those off-roading activities. These bikes obviously serve very different purposes, which is kind of the point of this video. We're matching up two completely crazy bikes that have no business being compared, but that's what we're about. We're comparing completely ridiculous bikes together. Now, the Honda VTX 1800 is ideal for those who crave long, comfortable rides on the open road, while the Honda CR125 is perfect for adrenaline junkies looking for off-road thrills. So whether you're a cruiser or a motocross enthusiast, both of these bikes have had something unique to offer. Let us know in the comments which style you prefer, cruising or motocross, and which one you would pick between these two. Lastly, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crazy motorcycle comparisons and reviews. Ride safe, everyone.